Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple effects on your TikTok videos. So let's start with Bold Glamour. Okay, select a filter, then make a video. Let's make a small video for 15 seconds. Okay, our video is ready. Now towards the right, you will see the third button. This is the timeline. Just tap on the timeline button. Okay, now you can see all your timeline. What you have to do here, on the bottom you will see effects. Just tap there and you will see all available effects. Now let's go with this one, glasses. Okay, I add glasses. Now if I want to apply the glass for the whole video, I can drag it and I can apply it for whole videos. Okay, now if you want to apply a second effect, again what you have to do, just go to effect. Okay, now let's choose a dark tone like this one. To apply for the whole video, just drag it. Okay, similarly if you want a third effect, go to the effect again and select the third effect. Okay, let's go with different categories are there. Okay, if you want to change the face, okay, let's change the face. If you want to change the face for a particular section of the video, okay, you can drag it and you can adjust for a particular section. So video will be playing, then you can change. Similarly, you can apply multiple effects for your videos, and once you are done, you can hit next and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can apply multiple effects on your TikTok videos. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.